Recently I drove out to Leesburg for their second Saturday car show. Here's a beautiful 1973 Stingray. I tried to talk to the owner. The guy was pretty busy on the phone, but I managed to give him my 76vet.com business card. So hopefully he'll be in touch. That's a beautiful 73. And I also happen to like some of the architecture in town. That's a beautiful 59 Impala. The owner, Tom, great guy. And as you can see, just a great variety of classic American cars. And even though we got there an hour before the event started at 4 p.m., we ended up parked out in the back 40. No big deal, but I guess people are arriving at some of these events 2 or 3 hours before the starting time, so first come, first served, I suppose. And again, this happens every month. It's free. You just show up and you're at a cruise then. And again, some great looking cars. It was something for everyone. And I've always loved Coronets. My mom had a Dodge Coronet 500 years ago. I wrecked it. Poor car was never the same. Look at that hot rod. That thing is gorgeous. And here's another one. And I love that little truck back there. I mean, that thing was better than new. And I guess you could call this Corvette Row. There's a whole bunch of the newer Vettes right there with a C5, C6. There's a C7 and a C8. I don't know if they planned it that way, but that was pretty cool. And look at that thing, man, it's starting to grow on me, the C8s. I mean, a great looking car. And of course an RT, I don't know, that's probably the original color when it was built. And these are just some still photos. Look at that Chevelle, beautiful. And again, just muscle cars, Mustangs, Camaros, a little bit of everything. And again, great buildings. Another El Camino. I think those are the fourth generation. I used to have a Royal Knight. this Dan's 74 Corvette. I thought I shot some video, but I guess I didn't hit record or something. But at least I got this picture. And again, this is the 59 Impala. What a beautiful car. I really love this car. It's just perfect. The red and white combo, it is just beautiful. And being a 59, it's got the biggest fins, just like the Cadillacs. After 59, they changed the styling, but look at that thing. I mean, the deck in white, I mean, it's just perfect. It's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle, and so big. I mean, but look at the style, the rear window, everything is just, look at the interior. I mean, that thing is just gorgeous, and wow, I love it. And that thing is the size of a stadium, I guess. It is just perfect. So many details. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did, and I guess I'll catch you guys next time. So take care. See you later. Bye.